cooked meat or cooked meat. I use spoon in stirring the meat because all the ladles are in the sink, not yet washed. Do we have many water? But the soap is empty. It's time to buy again another soap. In province, no money, no problem. You can cook all day if you want because firewoods are free. But don't use too much woods when you're cooking to avoid fire party. Here in province, the colors of our kitchens are uniform. Color black because of the smoke. Here is another pot. I cooked already rice. Actually, if I'm not cooking the meat again, I'm already eating now. Oops, I almost forgot to check the meat. I stir it to avoid burning.